This is Chris. I'm here at the Visalia yard, and this is Sonoma Fieldstone. It's like this is 12 to 18 inch material. And over here you got some maybe 6 to 12 inch material. This material is a lava rock that's been out in the field for thousands of years, getting worn down a little bit, more smoothed off, but developing really nice lichen and moss plant growth on it. It's not sold for its plant growth per se, it's just an accessory to the rock and a characteristic of surface fieldstone. So these lava boulders are obviously irregular to rounded. Call these lava chips, which is the cold water stone. Anyways, great material. I don't think I've seen this for sale in the region, so a new material. And that's the whole idea of earthstone rock here in the Visalia yard, is selling materials that are common to the region, but going and bringing in materials that are not for sale by any other retailer or wholesaler, so you can have your own signature style to your landscape. Why look like everybody else's landscape? You don't look like everybody else's inside of their house. The inside of your home is different. Make the outside of your home completely signature like.